Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current subscribers. You're very welcome. Today's video is about my prepper pantry, and I want to show you what I have accomplished so far to restock it. And I can say I'm pretty happy with what I have accomplished already. So I hope you will be impressed about what I have accomplished. So let's get to it. Welcome back. As you see, this is my prepper pantry, and this is the lower shelf. I have put my rice, my tea and coffee, and my cans. And let's take a look on what we have in our drawers. Well, some marshmallows in that drawer. And let's see what we have here. Here we have my pasta and my hot cup. And here is the next shelf. And there are stuff behind this. Cans, my behind my oatmeal and other stuff. There are things behind there. We have my salt, apricot, and basmati. And we have here, behind here, sorry, it's dark. But behind here I have my mackerel, and we go to the next shelf. It is stuff behind there too. These are coconut oil. I got 2 bottles for 50 crowns. And we get up to the top shelf. And I have still a lot of things up here. 3 cans with coconut oil. I use this a lot. And I have things behind here as well. My food rations, emergency rations, I have there. So actually guys, this is what I have. So and it will be much more. So let's change place again and go back to my seat and finish this video over there. I'll see you in a moment. Welcome back, guys. So that is what I have to show you for today. And I hope you are impressed over my little prepper pantry. But it will be much more than that. So let me hear your comments. and your opinions. I don't know even how much food I have got there. I don't know how much, how long that would last, but maybe 2 weeks, maybe a little more. So, guys, what do you think? How long do you think that would last? I have there. And that is what I have at the moment. But as I said, I will buy much, much more. So, I'm happy with what I have accomplished so far. So, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you are new to my channel. And share it as well. That would help the channel as well. So, take care, stay safe, be prepared, and guys, begin to stockpile and build up your food prepper pantries. Do it now before it's too late, okay? Until the next time, ShadowScoutSwede out. Long live the king.